Can you benefit more by talking with a native speaker? On paper, sure. Yes, that makes sense. Rationally, it's supposed to make sense. However, when that native speaker doesn't adjust or adapt to you, then sometimes those opportunities can be wasted. So you need someone who understands you as a learner, who can speak to you at your level, but also a little bit above your level to push you. So there's a balance there. There's definitely a balance there when it comes to learning through conversations, right? You need to have someone who's willing to give you the opportunity, right? You need to find someone who's willing to be patient with you, who's willing to give you valuable feedback, who's willing to move at your pace. And this is essentially teaching. I know I'm basically saying you need a teacher, but sometimes native speakers are clueless. What I mean is sometimes when you're speaking with a native speaker, they don't know that you want to learn English. They don't know your situation. So they're talking to you normally and it's going in through one ear and out the other, right? And they're talking to you normally. So if they are talking to you normally, like how they talk to everyone, you may not catch everything. You may not understand at all. So you need someone to maybe come down a little bit to your level, but also a little bit above your level to push you. So there's a balance there. It's complicated. Like at the end of the day, teachers are valuable, I think. Teaching is an art. It's not easy. It's definitely not easy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?